ganito lang. May picture ko ni Aldo pagkatapos siya yung nag-share doon sa kay Pukoy.
Don't care.
Siya nag-share tapos may caption siya mismo. Bakit ano na magpakita dito? Pumunta siya! Pumunta! Bukas siya sa mga tao dito sa Brunei.
Bakit?
Yung mga tao dito siya gumagawa ng gulo.
Ano bang ano mo?
Hindi ko matawagan kasi binlock ako. Kaya kung gusto niya magkulo sa Duterte, ito, basahin niyo yung post niya. Binababoy tayo ni Aldo.
Ano na yun?
Yan, may naka-screenshot na lahat na ginagawa niya. Bakit hindi na lang siya pupunta dito para mag-enjoy? Ano ba yan? Yung talaga gusto niya, pahingaan. O sige.
Mahirap na.
Tama na, Day. Kung makain tayo ng maayos dito, ano ba yan? Lahat na lang ba issue sa kanya? Sinong nag-share doon sa kanya?
Malay namin.
Okay.
No. I think let's discuss.
Enjoy your birthday, my friend.
Let's discuss this once and for all. Okay?
And don't care. Chika of others. The best of the best.
Are you defending Aldo in the post?
Ganito lang. May picture ko ni Aldo pagkatapos siya yung nag-share doon sa kay Pukoy.
Don't care.
Siya nag-share tapos may caption siya mismo.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Bago atang
This is
post.
my appeal. ha?
Bago atang post.
I'm sorry that...
May satanas talaga.
This is my appeal, ha? Some things are right, some things are wrong. You need to take a stand against wrong. Alvin, you're the best friend. Take a stand. Nasasama ka dito. Okay?
Kawawa nga
Lahat
din eh.
ng tao ilang sa'yo because of your association with him.
Di ang nagpo si Kuko Lukoy. Sino si Kuko?
There's bad. There's correct.
Hindi, si Kuko. Si Kuko Lukoy, inano lang niya, nirepost niya.
No, we are happy that Atty. was joined the celebration. Pero meron din siya.
Pero may
Oh my God. Mommy, can I pay for the whole humba?
ako naman nagluto sa iyo ato.
I'll pay for the whole humba. I'll pay for the whole humba, ha? I'll pay for the whole
Ako
humba.
nag-sponsor mo.
Pero ganito.
Hindi mo siya sinisira niya yung araw mo.
Pero ito ang sinasabi ko once and for all, dahil merong tama, merong mali. You have to take a stand kung mali.
Kailan
Kung
ka?
mali ang ginagawa, paalam nyo. Kasi akala niya, sunod-sunuran kayo sa kanya eh. That's why he gets away with it.
Kaya nga
You
kailangan
have
na
to
magwala minsan.
you have to take a stand. Nasisira tayo rito all because of him.
Hindi, walang right.
Diba?
Mga taong walang
Tama or mali, di ba? My goodness, food.
Kasayahan tayo.
Oh
Bigla
my
na lang.
gosh, food. At saka,
Hindi sinisira niya yung birthday ng kaibigan niya.
at saka, mami naman, no?
Kawawa
Humba
naman
no?
si Alvin. Birthday na birthday. Oo.
Wait, actually, hindi ko alam na ganun pala ang nangyari. Ngayon ko lang
Huwag ka
nabasa.
naman plastic. He's really your best friend.
No, attorney, you cannot label me like that. Relax. Because I'm trying to explain right now.
Ako kasi yung binalaspin.
Kaya nga, I didn't know. Kung hindi siya sumigaw, hindi ko malaman.
Pero sinasabi ko kasi, huwag ka nang magpapaka-plastic.
Why would you say that I'm plastic?
Tell us, do you think what he's doing is correct or not?
I'm trying to talk to him kasi nga, this is not good kasi hindi naman pala humba. Give me a chance to talk to him. Kaya nga, hindi pala humba. Let me talk to him privately.
There's right and there's wrong. And I'm
You cannot intimidate me with shouting like that.
No, I'm not intimidating you.
I can make a stance without shouting.
Well, okay.
So don't intimidate me. Because I'm not intimidated by you. That's why I'm trying to
Why, you
fix.
think I care if you're intimidated by me?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm shouting to.
Alvin, tama na. It's his birthday, so please stop.
But I was the one blasphemed.
I know, but
Don't
please
tell me
stop.
to stop.
Please.
I was the one blasphemed.
Ano na lang,
I was the one.
Stop na lang, oy.
Mag-please ka na mag-please. Ako ang
Please
binastos.
stop.
Mami, magkano yung humba na yan? I'll pay 10 times the
No,
amount.
you're my son. You can eat as long
Oh my
as you
God.
want.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What the...
And you know what?
Condemn
Attorney, wait.
Attorney.
This is
Take a stand.
this food is not for Aldo.
Attorney, I think you have the issue with Aldo, not with Alvin. It's Aldo's with the
Hey, wait. Kasi gusto ni attorney na I need to take a stance ganito.
Yeah, but-
So I'm trying to contact Aldo to delete it or what not para matapos.
Bakit dinilabas ko nito? Napagplastikan kasi tayo eh.
No, I don't think so.
Napagplastikan tayo eh. Pero it's a matter of right or wrong. I'm telling you. Take a stand
What?
on what is right and what is wrong.
Wait, why do we need to always broadcast this the whole Philippines? When we can deal with this silently.
Nagla-live eh.
No, we cannot.
Kaya because no, that's why hindi ko alam. Hindi.
No, ang daming
Are we
tao
not-
marami.
Ayang attorney.
Marami po.
We're trying to fix it nga, di ba? Can you remove your...
Pagbigyan natin si Alvin.
I'm sorry
na
it's a birthday,
interface.
pero it's
Oo.
really,
Kasi-
illegal na eh. It's right or wrong, at saka ikaw naman, Geraldine. Pag may nabiktima, hayaan mo magsalita yung biktima.
Correct.
Kasi pag pinigil mo yung biktima magsalita, you're condoning a wrong.
My apologies, sir, that I say please stop. Because the point is, sir, kasi
Happy lang tayo eh.
Pwede naman sana natin to usapan ng normal tayo. Hindi, wait lang.
Hindi yan.
Kailangan din
Hindi
natin idaan kung baga
Wala na.
kamay na bakal kasi ilang beses ako nakiusap kay Aldo nang maayos
Why do we need to do grandstanding when there's so many people here?
para malaman ni Aldo
You should have
anong
just called
ginagawa
Aldo.
niya. Kasi ayaw niya mag-stop eh. Ayaw niya mag-stop.
Nag-mention ba si Aldo ng name? Nag-mention si Aldo ng
Pwedeng
name?
private.
Nag-mention ba siya ng name?
Kalimutan.
Wala naman siguro. Wala man. This is a flap. Oh my
Mamukha
goodness.
ko yun.
May mukha ba? May mukha po ba ninyo, attorney? Meron na.
Meron, mukha nga ni attorney, mukha na attorney.
Pero dili si share na ni Aldo, dili si Aldo.
Kaya nga eh. We share kasi with label. We share niya with
Somebody
label.
posted. Somebody posted.
Somebody put it here na repost ba niya?
Reposted. Attorney, reposted po siya.
Mali.
Reposted na
Bakit
siya,
kayo
pero may
i-post?
caption
Bakit kayo
siyang sarili.
i-post? Tama o mali? Diba? It's an issue of right or wrong. Tama ba yan o mali? Usapang diretsa na kasi alam mo, if you are to continue as a community, dapat tapat tayo.
So, buti na lang nag-enjoy sa bumba.
Dapat tapat. Wala na yung ganyan-ganyan.
Enhancing treatment towards
Payak siya ngayon.
Alvin.
Alam na ng mga tao yung kagagawan niyang kagaguhan. Respeto din naman.
Kasi food eh. On a
Ano siya,
birthday.
important ba talaga siya o ano?
Food on a birthday. Bakit ganyan?
Okay, relax lang. Mali talaga yun.
For one, actually mali.
Mali, yes po. Huwag na tayo mag-ano.
Mali man talaga siya.
Mali talaga. Pero hindi lang sana tayo nag-away-away. Kasi tayo
And also, you know, wait lang, attorney. I'm sorry that I raised my voice on, you know. I know that
At the first time na nagkakainkwento tayo, alam mo naman yan, paulit-ulit.
yeah, because not directly sa atin naman to. Wait lang, ma'am, kasi hindi man ikaw ang naano. Bakit ikaw mag-ano-ano dyan? Wait lang, kasi we're trying to fix siya ang naano. We're trying, wag ka magsigaw. Okay, wait. I'm sorry na tumaas yung ano ko, boses ko sa iyo because hindi ko naman talaga alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na pagsigaw ni ate. Kasi ang sa amin lang na mag-celebrate tayo dito, nagka-isa-isa tayo dito, ganyan. Because
And you're still broadcasting.
sa akin, para malaman, nagsigawan na nga tayo.
Maintindihan why you need to broadcast.
Kanina pa lang to, attorney. Kaya ngayon, wait lang.
Since we're being
Kasi,
broadcasted,
oo.
ha? Si Aldo is your closest friend, correct?
I only know him here, but I consider him a friend.
Yes,
Okay.
That is why I am telling you, you need to take a stand for what is right and what is wrong.
Okay.
Hindi po pwede na kung ano-anong ginagawa niya, you keep quiet.
Okay.
As if, at saka diretsahan na,
Oo.
alam ko rin at back, nagtatawanan kayong dalawa.
Okay.
Di ba? Alam ko yan, wala na tayong ligoy-ligoy pa.
Sige,
I've
tapos?
even seen videos of it. So ang sa akin lang, para maging tapat ang relasyon, magpakatotoo tayo.
Okay.
Ayaw mo, gusto mo. Pero hindi po pwede pag nakaharap ka, mabuti ka. You know what I'm saying? So, we have to be genuine. Maintindihan. And how can you do that to your birthday?
Kaya nga, I don't understand nga bakit ngayon pa tayo naging ganito na it was supposed to be happy. That's why
We are happy.
I asked Aldo to remove it actually, the post kasi it's very hindi ko na ano eh.
Pumunta kaya siya dito. Pumunta kaya
Hindi ko na.
I'm sorry ha, kasi grabe kang defensive.
No, I'm not. I don't
First,
no.
bago mag-react
Wala ako, wala akong, wala.
know you,
No.
ha? I don't even know you.
Wala akong inano na side sa inyo. Ang sa akin na is be peace. Huwag kayong magsigawan kasi wala naman sa atin dito na involved, di ba? Sa mga sa away na to. Nag-enjoy lang tayo eh. Kumakain tayo lahat
Out in
eh.
the open. Merong tama,
sigawan
merong
is
mali,
really
okay? May tama, may mali.
Parang parang
Ma'am,
lang
may
tayo.
tama, mali. Hindi kami ang mali.
Yeah, I never say na mali kayo po. Hindi po. Wala po akong sinabi.
We don't have to like each other, okay? May tama
yeah.
kasi may mali, okay?
Yeah. Pero wag na lang po lang sana. Sa akin na is nag-enjoy lang naman tayo.
At saka also attorney, may appeal to you, okay? Because you already said
Nangyari, hindi ko nga alam po.
kaya nga, ngayon ko lang nalaman na nag-post pala yung mukha mo.
Yung mukha ko.
And also, attorney, may appeal to you kasi sabi mo naman na kaibigan ko si Aldo. When Maharlika said so many wrongful things, even false things, about me, I know for sure na you already said it before that you cannot control Maharlika because that's Maharlika. Why is that logic not applicable to me and Aldo?
Because you're young. You don't compare yourself to Maharlika. Maharlika has done so many things in this world.
Yeah.
Has exposed so many issues in this world.
Okay, I will raise my
Ikaw, gusto mo makikisali ka. Tapos,
No, wag na ma'am kasi ate na. Wag na lang ma'am, wag na lang. I rest my case but it's okay. You already answered my question, okay.
Yeah. Don't compare kasi yourself with Maharlika who's given so much of herself. She has even put her life on the line.
Okay.
There are assassins on the loose for her.
Okay.
We know that. Okay? We
So-
know that. Okay? So I guess that's enough.
Okay, but it's okay. I already asked Aldo to remove it.
Geraldine, you're not doing any help. You're not doing that.
Okay na.
You're not doing any help.
Oy, pusin na natin tong ice cream.
Okay na. Toilet namin.
Kain kayo ng ice cream. Walang malamig yan. Ice cream, come on.
Okay na tayo eh.
Nasaan na si Aldo na ice cream?